Dr. Gregory Charlop here, and I'm excited to share some groundbreaking longevity and lifestyle news with you. We're building a crypto longevity destination in the heart of Bitcoin Beach. That's right, in El Salvador. Right now, El Salvador is on the cusp of becoming one of the world's leading not only crypto and Bitcoin destinations, but one of the leading health, wellness, and longevity destinations as well. And we're helping to make it happen. You see, the people that are focused on making the financial system a better place, the people that are building the next generation of the economy, also understand the importance of having a long, healthy, happy life. We're able to combine the innovation and the motivation of our crypto colleagues with the longevity enthusiasts and modern scientific methods, plus some volcanoes and the most beautiful beaches in the world. They're all coming together in El Salvador. How is this happening? Well, a series of processes are rolling out, and I would love for you to join us. One of the first is that we're hosting conferences, and these conferences will bring together some of the top leaders in the crypto community, some of the most famous names, along with family offices, high net worth locals, and expats who have moved to El Salvador or spend a good part of their year there. And we're bringing together longevity experts like myself to talk about how we can intertwine the next generation of the economy, the crypto-based economy, with lifestyle design, health, and burnout solutions. You see, it's all here. This is what we all have been shooting for. We're shooting for a better world where we can enjoy the wonderful beauties of nature, we can enjoy radiant health, and we can enjoy a modern economy that's not dependent on fiat currency, but rather cryptocurrency and innovation. In addition, we're working on creating a philanthropic program to help people in El Salvador. While there are many ultra high net worth people moving or vacationing there, there's certainly a number of needy people in El Salvador. And our goal is to raise all boats in the country. So we're rolling out a new philanthropic program, a new website, sort of like a charity navigator, but for El Salvador and Latin America, where people will be able to use cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin to help those most in need. Join the movement today as we bring together the crypto community, as we bring together the longevity community and the philanthropic community, and we watch El Salvador rise, and we usher in the next era, the era that we're all looking for of prosperity, health, and happiness.